Hi, want to know how to pair your Huawei Watch Fit free with an iPhone? So, as a first step, we would need to download Huawei Health application on our phone and then create a account. As you can see, I have already logged in, so now we would need to move on to our watch. Here we would need to click on the digital crown and as a first step, select the language that you would like to use your watch in. So here I'll choose English. And as a next step, we are getting this message which is saying that we need to pair our watch with a phone. So now we would need to go to the Huawei Health application and click on this tab which is named Devices. As a next step, click on this button Add Device and then allow to Huawei Health to find Bluetooth devices by clicking Allow button. Then click once more on the Add Device button and here as you can see my Huawei Watch Fit 3 have been already founded. So here we click Connect. And as a next step, we would need to confirm the pairing request on our watch by clicking on this confirmation button. Now we would need to click pair on our phone and then click allow. Now, as you can see, Huawei Health also requires access to the location, and if you would like to use the location services on your watch, we would need to click allow while using app. Now, as a next step, we would need to agree to some terms of use, so I'm clicking on this confirmation icon and clicking next. And this is it. As you can see, we got the message which is saying that the pairing has been successful and also some instructions how to manage your watch. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.